Do I have 1,000,001 things to do, including pack? Yes, yes I do. But I gotta paint my nails. So much. Am I still gonna get on here and hang out with y'all? Absolutely. So I thought today we would just pack makeup together. And what you're gonna see here are kind of, I guess, my true essentials, because when you're going somewhere, you want to take your favorite things. You want to take the things that look best in person on, right? So this is still going to be really, really fun. And I'll show you what I use. Mine is so dirty, the thing that I pack it in. Makeup is messy. It just happens. But I'll go get the link. Let me go get that, and we'll start with that. So I'm going to briefly show it to you. I don't even know. But I'm going to give you the link so you can go look at it. And I'm going to talk about what's in here. This was actually the hotel key. I kept it at one of the hotels I went. I just thought it was so cute. That's beside the point. So I have this in here. This is the Laneige lip balm. I already have that in there. I love these. These are the lip sleeping masks. Let me get you the link for this, and then we'll go into what's in here. Hang on. So whenever I travel, I'm going to get dry lips. I'm going to get you the link. This is what I was talking about. Honestly, this one is peach, iced tea. I like all of them. I don't have a specific. It's just the formula, so I don't really care how it smells as long as it's doing the job. Micellar water, one with the pink cap. I just have a nice little travel size. The one with the pink cap is the one that I use to kind of clean up areas on the face. I do not use this to remove my makeup. I have a whole skincare routine, check that out. But I use this really and truly only while I'm doing my makeup, never to remove it. By the way, these are just things that are always in this bag. This is one of them. We're gonna pack it with makeup. But for right now, I'm just showing you what's always in here. This Valentino. I believe this is Coral Fantasy. I will find you a link, and I'll find the actual size. This is just a little makeup. I'm out of control. Makeup is out of control. But this is actually one of my faves. Love this perfume. Now, this is always in my bag. I have two of these. I have one for my travel and one for my vanity. I will not exist without this. I know it's a spicy price, and just know that I've tried oils from all different price ranges and all different brands, but the way this one specifically pairs with makeup, I can't match it. Nothing compares. It just matches and pairs so beautifully with makeup. It never separates. And I'm going to LA first, which is dry, and then New York, which I'll have to have the heater on, and then that'll make me dry. So I need this. I need it. And then I already have these in my bag as well. I have my brow routine, this situation here. I have this on my saved highlights, but I use this first. This is from Too Faced, and it's the best brow holder. I don't even want to call it a gel, and I don't want to call it a pomade. It's just somewhere in between, and I talk about it more in that video, but it's fantastic. And I know this is a very spicy priced brow pen, but I've used all of them. This one never leaks. This one looks the most natural. You get a spoolie. You get, this one's new, so it's a little hard to open. You get a brow pencil, which I absolutely love, and then you get a brow pen. So it's absolutely fantastic. I've been using this one, I don't even know for how long. I would not ever switch back to anything else. I love this. Y'all know how much I love Valentino Beauty though. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is actually Valentino, and you're going to see how much I use this. You're going to be like, whoa. But I don't talk about these things a lot because I know that they are so spicy priced. So I try to make sure that I find something for everyone. But I want y'all to know I use the absolute heck out of this palette. Do you see this? I absolutely love this palette. And I also love how small it is. So it's really, really easy to travel with. I definitely want to take this. And then this is another palette I am going to take with me because I'm pretty sure that I'm just going to stay in my neutral tones. So this one, it has, before I move on to the other one, it just has such beautiful neutral tones. Look at how smooth that is. It's gorgeous. And then it has this one, this beautiful gold. It's like a very true glittery gold. They're fantastic. But again, I know super spicy price. Oh, look how pretty that satin is. Oof, it's gorgeous. It's like my skin, but a little bit more 10. I got too excited. I was going to show you this one as well. Look at how pretty that is. They're wonderful. But again, please don't think that you absolutely need this. Is it wonderful? Yes. Would I put it on a holiday wish list? Yes. But if this isn't something that you can add to your makeup collection at this moment, that's why I make sure to incorporate something for everyone and where they're at in their makeup journey. So this one is definitely going with me. This is the all matte. I'm shaking it over here and you don't even know this is definitely going with me. Let me zoom out. This one is from Artist Couture. I love this one so much. This one's newer, but I've used it 3 times, so I know that I absolutely love it. And it's all matte, and that's just, it's ideal for traveling. It's perfect. Plus, look at how thin. I love that. It's like a little graham cracker. And then I always have this one as well. You can see that. This is lovely. These mattes are fantastic. The shimmers are great. I do want to show you kind of a comparison because this color right here is similar, but let me do that in the next slide. Let's swatch those next to each other. I'm going to show you something. So these are incredible quality. I want you to hear this though. Can you hear that? Okay, it's important to be able to hear that. And it's beautiful, right? It's so pretty. We're going to put it there. Beautifully pigmented, stunning. But I want you to see the difference between this and the Valentino shadow, because I don't want y'all to think that I would tell y'all just to go get something just because of the name. Okay, here I am, right? This color. Hear how it's a lot more quiet? I know this is wild. I hope you can hear that, but it's different. Now they're very similar in color, but look at how much more pigmented and smooth and almost creamy that is. No disrespect to this, I love it, but I just want to kind of show you and let you hear and see that difference. I even want you to see how you can kind of see my skin through this one still, but you cannot through this one. And again, this is still absolutely wonderful. And I'm just here trying to show you that difference in texture, how much more pigment, even how much more glitter is in that. It's wonderful. I just really just trying to, I know it's a spicy price, but the formulas. Of course, I'm gonna take my clean canvas. I'm sure most of you already knew that. I'm just gonna take the shade Fair. That'll be the easiest. Put that in there. Valentino twin liner, of course. I'm sure most of you, I didn't have to tell that to either. Gotta have this because I stay winging all around the town. I got too excited. I don't even know at this point. I can't tell you what's going on down there. I was saying I got too excited and didn't give y'all a link for this. This is just, it's exceptional. Pricey, yes. This one I can't dupe though. I still have not found one that goes on this smoothly and is so easy to apply, wears wonderfully. I love it. By Terry Mascara. I love this one because I don't even need to curl my lashes with it. I love this mascara. I've been using this for months now and I cannot stop using it. This is what I really love about it. Look at this. So I usually just use this and I run it through and then I let it get a little bit tacky and then I'll twist the brush and then I get even more curl and lift. 10 out of a 10. Of course, we're gonna take our Rose and Ben Beauty brushes. Now, what are we taking? Hey, listen. I feel like we're on FaceTime. I love this. It's so much fun. So I haven't tried this formula yet. I know that I love this one, but this one's for balance to dry skin. And this one is for combination to oily skin. I already know I love this one, but also I think I'm gonna go get this shade. This shade looks better for me. This is shade 200. Where was that? Am I out of control? Oh, it was on the lid. I'm like, I know I saw 220. Okay, so 220. And let's look at the shade really quickly. I'm afraid to chance it. Oh no, that shade is delicious. Man, Revlon's got some really nice shades for me. That just disappeared. I love it. I'm having fun with these Revlon foundations. So I'm going to take this one and I'll try it out while I'm there. I mean, the other ones haven't let me down yet. And then I'm also going to take this one. That honestly just disappeared. I'm excited to take that with me. I actually purchased this one. The other one was sent to me, but this one I purchased, and I purchased it, I don't know when, but it was on my other vanity, so I forgot where I'd put it. So I found it. We're taking it with us. Onward. By the way, I always take this with me. I don't trust my foundations. Even though that match is perfect, tomorrow could be a whole different day for me. I don't know what happens. But I'm just gonna take this. Since it is pink, you can see how pink it is. It'll kind of shift everything back to my pinky neutral undertone. I love these. Plus, it's basically like adding more skincare into your foundation. And who doesn't want more skincare? Never messes with the formula, never messes with the wear time. I've been using this for months now. Absolutely love. So I just checked the site and apparently this is sold out. I do apologize, but I'm sure they'll restock soon. I certainly hope so. Also have a feeling that y'all are the reason it's sold out. If I'm gonna be seen in person, I'm taking this powder right here. It's just the way it is. It always just looks so beautiful in person. I can always count on it. It has never let me down and I've been using it 3 years? Probably more, but we'll say 3 years. Now I am gonna be gone a few days so I can justify taking a lot of blushes. I love blushes. I feel like the color of your blush can totally change your everyday look. You can just change it up completely with blush. I'm taking these two. These are my two faves. Y'all have seen me use these 1 million times. Look how pretty they are. Shade 1, shade 5. Just look at them. I love these blushes. And another reason I love them is because you can apply them on your eyes. They're eye to cheek, so it's 2 for 1 special, and we love a 2 for 1 special. And I'm absolutely taking this blush from RMS Beauty. This is actually part of my faves on, I'm gonna give you a link so you can go see all my faves from RMS Beauty. Y'all can see that I put this one right here to work. It is just so pretty. It's so creamy and it has a glow, never adds texture. Just look at, it's delicious. I love this blush. And go check out the rest of my favorites from RMS. I feel like the last time I went somewhere, y'all let me forget concealer. I'm blaming it on y'all. I'm going to take these two concealers. These are the Sephora collection. 22.3P. Yes, I had the name right. This is the one that I use for a corrector, and it's a very mild corrector. It's just going to have a touch of peach. And this one right here is the one that I would use for my brightener, which is 22P. I had that one right too, but just want to make sure. Love this concealer. I actually tried this yesterday. Remember, I don't just do the story tutorials. Normally I'll take that off and film even more. But listen, I transitioned with this bronzer into this bronzer, both Kylie Cosmetics. It was chef's kiss. It was incredible. I'm going to do it for you, and I'll even talk more about bronzer transitioning. But for now, I want y'all to know these are the two that I'm taking with me. We interrupt this regularly, I can't talk and do this, scheduled program to show you this gloss. Look at this. We have pink and gold glitter in there. And look how pretty it is. And you can see the sparkle from back here. I'm starting to think that we're sleeping on Pretty Vulgar. Y'all know they have my favorite gel liner. If this is interesting to you, and you might be in the mood for a sparkly gloss, go ahead and add this to your cart right now, because I'm going to do a TikTok about this. I can see the pink and the gold. Whew, this is going with me. One more up close. It's just sparkly enough. Wow. Okay, put this somewhere. Put this in my bag. For lashes, I'm just going to take this one pair. These are my faves from Rochelle Beauty. They're in the style Moonlight. They're real spicy. I'm just putting down another pair of lashes. So I'm just going to take a fresh pair. It'll be easier for organization that way. So I'm just going to take 2 lip liners. I'm going to take By Mario. This is the shade Travis. And then Pinky Brown from Huda Beauty. They just they're enough to kind of mix and match. This one's really close to my natural lip color. This one's kind of brown, but it blends out really nicely if I just want a little bit of definition. And I probably won't do a red lip because it takes me longer. And usually when I'm traveling, y'all know what that means. So just these two. I'm going to take this Valentino lipstick right here. This is the shade 101A. I've worn this one. I mean, you can see my little lip indentation there. Love this one, and you'll see why I'm taking it. This one in particular. You'll see why I'm taking it tomorrow. I think that that's everything. I'm looking around. I'm trying to figure it out. I feel like that's going to be everything. That's enough. We don't need to take no more. Maybe just one gold liner. I will wind up taking more lipsticks, but it's hard to decide in this moment. I like to go back through and see what I'm in the mood for. You know what? I'll show you these. So normally I don't show y'all PR this way, but I'm only showing this to y'all this way because I like how they color coordinated each one. So these are new from Buxom, and these are liquid lipsticks. So I will probably take one of these, specifically that one. And I'll be testing them out while I'm there, so I'll keep y'all updated. This one's falling out. So we shall see. Pretty, right? Maybe when I get back, we'll swatch all of them. They fascinate me. They really do. I love a liquid lipstick. And I also feel like we've had a lot of advancements in formula. So I'm excited to test these out. Plus, I already know I love those lip liners. These lip liners are actually some of my favorites, but I'm out of most of the ones that I love. So now I have a restock. That's going to be it for today. I still will do a story tutorial tomorrow. Friday, I am shooting content for a brand on site for them. So it's not like I'm just shooting content here at my house. Yeah. I'm very excited. I can't wait for y'all to see that. But I won't be able to do a story tutorial on Friday. I just want to say I'm not going to. I might sneak in and I might be able to, but we shall see, because then I'm taking the red-eye flight all the way from LA to New York. It's going to be a spicy day, but I am really looking forward to it. But again, I don't do this often, so that's one of the reasons I don't break my routine a lot, because I love the routine and I love what we have, and I love just doing my daily tutorials here with all of you. But these opportunities do arise, and I'm very grateful for them. So just have a little bit of patience with me. I love y'all so much. And I will definitely see y'all tomorrow. Y'all are going to want to tune in tomorrow. I'm going to be doing a little TikTok for the brand, and we'll do our daily tutorial here. It is going to be an ad, but it's with the brand you see all the time, and it's usually not an ad. I'm grateful that it's an ad. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm out of control. I am excited. I love y'all so much, and I will definitely see you in the comments tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow on stories. And I'll post tomorrow too, but then Friday. All right, y'all got it. Okay, I love y'all so much.